Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's dive in. Question: which networking technology is primarily designed for low power, wide area IoT applications? Answer B. LoRaWAN. Question: in IoT networks, what is the main purpose of edge computing? Answer B. to process data closer to the source. Question: which protocol is commonly used for secure communication in IoT devices? Answer C. SSL/TLS. Question: how does 5G technology enhance IoT networking compared to 4G? Answer A. lower latency and higher bandwidth. Question: which emerging networking technology is best suited for real-time industrial IoT applications? Answer C. 5G URLLC. Question: what is a major challenge in deploying large-scale IoT networks? Answer B. network scalability and security concerns. Question: which of the following is a key characteristic of LPWAN technologies? Answer C. low power consumption. Question: in IoT, what role does a gateway typically perform? Answer B. it processes and forwards data between devices and the cloud. Question: which security measure is essential for protecting IoT networks? Answer B. end-to-end encryption. Question: how does mesh networking benefit IoT deployments? Answer B. it provides multiple data paths, increasing reliability. Question: which emerging tech is revolutionizing IoT device connectivity? Answer C. low power wide area networks LPWAN. Question: which is a key advantage of using IPv6 in IoT networks? Answer B. simplifies network management and scalability. Question: what is a primary concern with IoT data management? Answer B. data security and privacy. Question: which technology is most suitable for smart city IoT applications? Answer C. 5G. Question: what is the main difference between public and private IoT networks? Answer B. private networks are isolated and secure for specific organizations. Question: which emerging networking tool is used for device-to-device communication without central infrastructure? Answer B. mesh topology. Question: which is a common challenge in IoT device interoperability? Answer A. standardization issues. Question: how does edge computing affect IoT network latency? Answer B. reduces latency. Question: which emerging networking technology supports ultra-reliable low-latency communications, URLLC? Answer C. 5G. Question: which characteristic is vital for IoT devices in emerging networks? Answer B. Low cost and energy efficiency. Question: what role does blockchain play in IoT security? Answer B. enhances data integrity and trust. Question: which emerging technology enables seamless connectivity for smart homes? Answer D. Wi-Fi 6. Question: what is the impact of emerging networking tech on IoT scalability? Answer B. enhances scalability and flexibility. Question: which protocol is favored for lightweight, real-time IoT messaging? Answer B. MQTT. Question: how does network slicing in 5G benefit IoT applications? Answer B. provides dedicated virtual networks for different services. Question: which emerging networking technology is crucial for autonomous vehicle IoT systems? Answer C. 5G URLLC. Question: what is a key consideration for deploying IoT in remote areas? Answer B. limited connectivity options. Question: which emerging networking trend is driving smart grid advancements? Answer B. 5G and IoT integration. Question: what is a major impact of emerging networking tools on IoT device management? Answer B. simplified remote management. Question: which emerging network technology is most promising for scalable, secure IoT ecosystems? Answer B. 5G. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.